Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the watch off and removing the band so you can reach the seams. Once done, place it on a clean, static-free mat and use a suction cup plus a plastic pick to lift the back plate gently. You want to avoid metal pries which damage sensors. Make sure to photograph the original gasket and connector positions. This saves time when you put parts back. Collect the correct tiny drivers, replacement plate, and pre-cut adhesive strips before continuing. You will now remove the internal screws in sequence, keeping each screw labeled by position so orientation is preserved. Once screws are out, use a plastic spudger to disconnect the battery connector first to prevent shorts, then detach the sensor and antenna flexes carefully because their clips are fragile. Clean the mating surface with isopropyl and a lint-free swab so the adhesive bonds. After aligning the replacement backplate, dry fit it to confirm proper seating before applying adhesive strips and pressing firmly. To finish, apply the proper adhesive strips and press the backplate evenly for 30 to 60 seconds to set the bond. Make sure pressure is uniform so the gasket compresses correctly. Once assembled, power the device on and verify charging, heart rate sensor readings, and Bluetooth connectivity. These confirm correct reattachment. If something fails, make sure the flex connectors are fully seated, screws are in the right holes with gentle torque, and the adhesive is continuous. Reopen only if necessary to correct those things.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.